Hello everyone, this is Mickey at Wallcrest. In this video, we're going to sew the Aether cami and dress. I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along. There are two views of this pattern, view A the dress or view B the top. We're demoing view A in this video, but you can construct view B with exactly the same steps. In this pattern, the seam allowance is 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch. Grab your fabric and let's get started. The very first thing for us is the stay stitch. Almost everything in this pattern is on the bias, and with this delicate slippery fabric, it's super easy to stretch the edges out of shape. So let's make sure to stay stitch around the front and back, armholes, neckline, and side seams. I'm using a 2mm stitch length close to the fabric edge on everything. Next up, darts. Bring the dart legs together, pin or press, and stitch from the edge to the dart tip. Press the dart down and do the same on the other side. Now for the ties and straps. In this pattern, if only one end attaches to the garment, we call it a tie. If both ends attach, it's a strap. For this shoulder strap, both ends get sewn in, so just fold in once, open, fold to the center, and stitch. For the waist tie, fold one end back by 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch, and then do the lengthwise fold the same way. And that's it. One shoulder strap and two waist ties for this version, ready to go. Let's do a quick fit check. Baste the shoulder band from front to back, right sides together. Baste the shoulder straps or ties to the front and back, placing them 1 centimeter away from the side seam. If you're making view A, baste one waist tie to the notch along the longer side seam. And finally, baste or pin the side seams closed. Time to put it on. I'm aligning the dress bust apex with my real apex. A couple things to check. The armhole feels good, comfortable but not gaping. Shoulder band and straps are the right length. Side seams are running straight down the sides. And for view A, that waist tie is sitting where we want it. If you're doing view A, there's an optional pocket on the tie side. We have a separate video linked in the description if you need it. Once that's in, or if you're skipping the pocket, just sew the side seams right sides together, finish the edges together, and press them toward the back. Moving on to our facing. I'm using non-fusible interfacing, so I've basted the interfacing to the facing pieces. Otherwise, you could just fuse the interfacing on them. Sew the side seams right sides together, press open, and finish the bottom edge with a zigzag or serger. Time to attach the facing. Put the ring of facing and the bodies right sides together. Our first seam runs the armhole outside the shoulder band, but remember to leave an opening on the back. We'll tuck the band in later. Then, sew around the neckline and the other armhole the same way, leaving that second opening. Our shoulder ties or strap should be sandwiched in, but make sure they're not caught where they shouldn't be. Trim the facing seam allowance down to half, clip the corners, snip into the curves, and understitch where you can. We can't reach into the shoulder band or corners, so just do it in the sections that will lay flat. Now, turn the shoulder band right side out, give it a press, and tuck it into the opening. Check for twists before you sew the opening closed. Trim, clip, and turn everything out, then press again. Finally, tack the bottom of the opening to the side seam with a couple of stitches so it doesn't flip out when you're wearing it. If you're on view B, you're almost done except for cami. For view A, let's move on to the wrap. Cut a strip of interfacing about an inch wide and fuse to the tie area. Then hem the top edge and both bottom edges by turning up 1 centimeter twice. Folding along the horizontal line creates the wrap and its facing. Now, tack the waist tie between the wrap and its facing right sides together. Sew that short edge, clip the corner, turn it out, and press. Top stitch near the tie to reinforce it. on the dress, hem a little section of the front and back where the wrap will attach. Then pin the wrap and dress right sides together. Curved edge matches the back, straight edge of the wrap facing matches the front. Sew and finish the raw edge together. Then press the seam allowance toward the wrap. Last step. Hem the bottom by turning it up 1 cm twice and edge stitch. And that's it! Your either dress or top is ready to wear. I hope you enjoyed sewing along with me and that you love how yours turned out. Don't forget to share your make with us. We love seeing what you make. Until next time, happy sewing!